Here in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you can start using to publish low content books and get them ranking and boost the sales that way, creating passive income. Now, if you're new here to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as other ways to make passive income online, including writing on Vocal and medium.com, as well as creating print-on-demand products for Redbubble, Zazzle, and Etsy. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be notified of all our new daily videos. Now, first of all, the first keyword for today's video is Content Creator Planner 2023 to 2024. Now, this is a really great keyword. I'm very impressed with this, and this is why I chose to show it to you as the first keyword in today's video. So it has a keyword niche score of 48 by Self-Publishing Titans, and I've explained all 4 free Chrome extensions that I'm using to analyze the profitability of each of the keywords that I discuss here on the channel. And you can view the full video where I explain the step-by-step strategy to helping you to find out whether the keyword is profitable or not using the 4 free Chrome extensions outlined, and the link to that video will be in the description box below this one. So Self-Publishing Titans has given this a keyword niche score of 48 and a total results of 137. In regards to the total results, we do aim for 1000 or less, so having a total results of 137 is really good in this case. Also, I'm quite impressed at the bestseller rank, which is less than the ideal one, which is 300,000 or less, and it sits at 184,135. Also, the average reviews are 378, and the average price is also quite impressive, sitting at $10.90. And there is also an extra confirmation that this niche is profitable, or this keyword is not profitable, by the niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives it the highest ranking of the number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. So the number 9 is the highest, and 1 being the lowest. Now, this keyword is also valid for the second half of 2023, which we are in right now. We're currently June the 21st, as I'm recording this day. So we have the confirmation by both of the Chrome extensions, lovely analytics right here. And if you are creating or you're finding this video after 2023, then you don't need to add 2023 to it, but you can, just go 2024 or whatever year is relevant for you. But as of June 2023, this keyword is amazing in regards to the analytics and what we can see right here. So you are creating a content creator planner, so a planner for content creators, more like a combination of workbook and activity book for content creators, as well as a diary to help them to create for example, a year or 2 worth of content and to plan their content. So you can find interiors in Creative Fabrica, for example, which I will include a link in the description box below for a 30-day free trial, all access to Creative Fabrica. You'll be able to view all the KDP interiors. You'll be able to download some of the ones that you want and use them, change them around in Canva, for example, and add in elements, take out elements, change in the font to make it unique, and then re-upload to KDP. Now, in regards to this, you're creating a combination of a workbook, a planner, an activity book, and also a diary style or a planner style. So it can be for a year, it can be for 2 years, up to you. You can also go ahead and sub niche further by seeing what type of content creators are there. For example, people who create content for TikTok, people who create content for Instagram, for YouTube, for so forth. All these content creators have their own different agendas and their own different plans as well. You can also create for example, based on the niches of content creators, like business content creator planner, or wellness content creator planner, or health related content creator planner, and then also include some strategies, some really juicy stuff in between to help motivate and to help inspire and to help the content creator really rank their content and create their content, streamline their content, maybe some strategies here and there that you can implement in between, so you're both providing value and you're also providing a resource for content creators to organize and plan their social media content creation strategy as well. So I love the average bestseller rank of 184,135 for this one. Highly recommended you dive into this keyword ASAP. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day. The second keyword for the day is Book Talk Journal. Book Talk Journal is quite impressive. I wouldn't be doing it full time. Like, I wouldn't dive in so deep into this keyword the same way as I would for the first one. Yet I would like to share it with you because it is a basic keyword that you can easily create a journal or two for this keyword and take advantage of it. The cover really sells well with this. So rather than focusing too much on the interior, for example, in the last keyword we were focusing so much on the interior and what we're going to put and how we're going to add value, this one's more of a focusing on the cover kind of keyword as well. So it has conflicting information with regards to the two Chrome extensions that we're using. For example, in regards to the keyword niche score, Self-Publishing Titans has given this a keyword niche score of 24, whilst Amazon Scout Pro has given this a number 9, the highest it can get with regards to the keyword niche score. Now let's go head over to the analytics section of the Self-Publishing Titans. First of all, we have a total results of 1,177, which is quite ideal because we are aiming for around that 1,000 mark. And also the bestseller rank is quite high. Unfortunately, it's not too high, but it is quite high, which makes me think that I don't really want to invest too much time into this keyword. Yet I would still like to dive in and create 2 to 3 books on this about this Book Talk Journal, and also sub niche as well. So create a Book Talk Journal for women, for men, for children, for example ages 10 to 12 who love to read books and they would like to track their book reading journey and track their thoughts on each specific book as well. So maybe you can create also sub niche to the point where you create a 30-day Book Talk Journal or a 60-day or a 365 days, that one. So apart from that, we do have the reviews of 5,290 and an average price of $11.24. Now you could also create a challenge Book Talk Journal to help create a challenge for your customer in regards to reaching a number of books in a number of months. For example, this is a Book Talk Journal for 200 books reading log. It's helping a customer to track their favorite books. For example, it is also selling quite well and it has a impressive bestseller rank of 43,176, and also it is priced at $8.99. Lovely 5-star reviews, over 101 ratings as far as this one's been published. And it's also been published in literary biographies and indexes, ranked as number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. We also have another one. So this one's for 200 books. This one is for 100 books, and it is also ranking quite well. Both are independently published. There's no FBA right here. There's no other kind of publishing like ways other than Amazon KDP. So they're both independently sold by Amazon. This one's quite impressive. As I said, it is priced much more higher. It does have more higher ratings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open this just so we can see what is special about this book in particular and this one that makes it really stand out among the crowd and sell that much books as well. Other books are also selling under this niche, as you can tell. Very simple cover, and let's dive in to see if there's any A+ content and any look inside feature. As for this one, the Book Talk Journal for 200 books, I'm gonna go ahead and look at this. For example, it's 8x10, large and convenient format. We have 242 books, and it has been recently published last year, a total of about 1 year ago, June 14th, 2022. Impressive, yet it is still making great results as well, and great sales. So just diving in deep, going down, scrolling down, and yes, there is A+ content, which really does help because we don't really need the look inside feature anymore. So this is what it looks like, just a simple workbook style, worksheet style for the customer to log their book, the name, the author of the the name, the author, the genre, number of pages, the favorite chapter, the favorite character, the date that the book reading has started, the date that it was finished, really helping to track whether it was a book, an audio book, or an ebook. Also, the favorite quote from the book, a small section for notes, some cover, some review, and also the ratings as well. Super helpful. And this one also is to do with the yearly goals for, the books read and so forth. So in regards to reading and in regards to reviewing books, lovely interior right over here, black and white, amazing, 8x10, also ranked in 3 categories as well: general books and reading, catalogs and directories, and literary biographies and indexes as well. And there's also a customer who took the time to do a video on it, and this is how explains how impressive the book really is. So as of the second one, which is for the 100 books as well, now I'm really intrigued to find out what made this book sell, especially that it is priced quite high as well. So it says it helps you keep you organized while logging all your reviews and thoughts after each book, and it's also filled with 100 blank book spines to fill in titles as you read them. Also a total of 213 pages, being published a bit more later in 2021, which is around a couple of years ago. Now let's have a look if there's any A+ content in regards to that. Yes, lovely books right here, videos, reviews. Now do keep in mind, you do want to see any reviews that are 4 stars or under, and see why they exist and how you can kind of fill in the blank and be unique as well. So hoping that the look inside feature opens so we can dive in deep and have a look together to see what is special about this one. I'm not sure if there is any look inside feature, but we'll give this another try and see if we can have a look. So just waiting for this to load. And it's super easy to create. Very simple cover, very minimalistic cover, yet the colors really do stand out as well, which made this book eye-catching for customers. So it's just loading at the moment. As it is loading, we're just going to look inside, scroll through, and see what is special. There's this journal belongs to. There's a QR code right here. Now you can go ahead and create this in Canva, and it really helps to keep the customers connected also, and really good for your brand. This is just okay. So it's a very simple workbook related or workbook style book, where there's the book cover, and there is, after this book cover, there's a space to enter the title, the author, the genre, the method, was it worth the hype, the favorite character, the book length, and so forth. Now you can easily access. So it's just basically a 2-page workbook, and it's repetitive, one after the other. So I would personally go ahead and add in a little bit more excitement as well. Now look, some customers do want a very minimalistic, direct, straightforward journal. Other customers are looking for a more in-depth, more of a reflective kind of prompt style as well. So maybe add in a few prompts on each page that are repetitive as well, to help the customer kind of really reflect deep on the book and on the core values of the book as well, and maybe some lessons that they've learned from the book. So this was the keyword that we had a look at. Book Talk Journal. Do give this a try. You can see books are selling quite well for this. Let's have a look at the third keyword for today's video is Watermelon Daily Planner. Very impressive. It has a keyword niche score of 50, and all the analytics indicate that this is a profitable keyword as well. So on this basis, this is why I'm going to go ahead and ignore the number 4 bottom circle given by Amazon Scout Pro, because all the information by self-publishing titans, they contradict this number 4. So we, first of all, keyword niche score 50, total results of 984, average bestseller rank is 118,720, average reviews at 858, and the average price is pretty low, which is $1.38 as well. But you really need to see what kind of books are selling well under this. You're creating more of a journal style, so would you like it to be more of a lined sheets? Would you like it to be a daily planner? It needs to be watermelon theme, so try to look for illustrations maybe in Creative Fabrica under the graphics section, and you can access a 30-day free trial, all access to Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below. My apologies, a little bit of a tongue twist right over here. And I'm really impressed by the bestseller rank of 118,729 as well. So do keep that in mind. There is a daily planner, there is more of a journal style, there is more of a cover to do with as a gift for grandma. So maybe you want to customize it that way, grandma, grandpa, and so forth, and aunt, auntie, sister. That would be really nice as well. This one is a daily planner 2020-2024, a 2-year daily planner, which has a lot of content inside as well, and it's to do also offering people who love watermelon designs a yearly planner under what they love as well. So that was the third keyword that we had a look at. Today we're discussing 3 Amazon KDP low competition, high demand keywords. And as a summary, the first keyword was Content Creator Planner 2023 to 2024. And it has a brilliant keyword niche score of number 9 given by Amazon Scout Pro and number 48 given by Self-Publishing Titans. Moving to the next one, which is Book Talk Journal. Keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 9, green light here as well. Total results 1,177. And we also have the Watermelon Daily Planner, which has a keyword niche score of 50, total results of 984. If you enjoyed today's content, remember to go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more daily videos such as these, and click on the bell icon in order to be notified of all our new videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.